If your abs look like this, and you want this in the next 30 days,
Then listen carefully. Most people are doing it wrong. Random workouts won't fix it. It's not about doing more, it's about doing it right.
these 7 exercises target your entire abs, burn fat.
No gym, no hours of cardio, just the right system. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are one of the best exercises for defined abs because they combine intense core activation with cardio, helping you strengthen your abs while also burning calories. This exercise works the entire core, especially the lower abs, while also engaging the shoulders and improving endurance. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs in a running motion while keeping your core tight and your hips stable. Perform this exercise for 30 to 45 seconds, then rest for 15 to 20 seconds. One of the biggest mistakes is raising the hips too high or letting the lower back sag, which reduces tension on the abs. Moving too fast with bad form is another common mistake, so focus on controlled reps and keeping your body stable throughout the set. Bicycle crunch. Bicycle crunches are one of the best exercises for building visible abs because they target both the upper abs and the obliques at the same time. This exercise works through rotation, which helps create better overall abdominal definition while also improving core coordination. Lie flat on your back with your hands lightly behind your head and your legs lifted off the floor. Bring one knee toward your chest while rotating your torso so the opposite elbow moves toward that knee. Extend the other leg fully, then alternate sides in a controlled pedaling motion. Perform 20 to 30 total reps and rest for around 20 seconds afterward. One of the biggest mistakes is pulling on the neck with the hands, which can cause strain and reduce tension on the abs. Many people also rush the movement and fail to fully extend the legs. Focus on slow, controlled reps and squeeze your abs during every twist. Russian twists. Russian twists are highly effective for building stronger obliques and creating better side ab definition because they train the core through rotational movement. This exercise improves core stability, balance, and torso control while helping develop a more complete and aesthetic midsection. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lean back slightly while keeping your back straight and your core engaged. Twist your torso to one side, then rotate to the other side in a controlled motion while keeping tension on your abs throughout the exercise. Perform 20 to 30 total twists and rest for around 20 seconds before continuing. One common mistake is rounding the back, which reduces core activation and places stress on the spine. Many people also swing only their arms instead of rotating through the torso. Focus on controlled twists and use your abs and obliques to power every movement. Crunches are one of the best exercises for lower ab development because they train the abs through pelvic movement instead of simply lifting the upper body. This exercise places constant tension on the lower abdominal muscles and helps build better core control while putting less strain on the neck than traditional crunches. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet slightly off the floor. Tighten your core and bring your knees toward your chest while lifting your hips slightly off the ground by rolling your pelvis upward. Slowly lower back down with control and repeat the movement. Perform 12 to 15 reps and rest for around 20 seconds afterward. One of the biggest mistakes is swinging the legs and using momentum instead of lifting with the abs. Many people also rush through the reps and lose tension during the lowering phase. Focus on slow, controlled movement and squeeze your lower abs at the top of every rep. Plank. The plank is one of the most effective exercises for building a strong and defined core because it creates constant tension across your entire abdominal wall. This exercise strengthens the deep core muscles that help tighten your waist, improve posture, and stabilize your body during almost every movement. Begin by placing your elbows directly beneath your shoulders and extending your legs behind you. Keep your body in a perfectly straight line from head to heels while tightening your abs and glutes. Hold the position for 30 to 60 seconds and rest for around 20 seconds afterward. A common mistake is allowing the hips to sag, which places stress on the lower back and reduces core engagement. Some people also raise their hips too high, making the exercise less effective. Focus on bracing your core, breathing steadily, and maintaining full body tension throughout the hold. Leg raise. Leg raises are one of the most effective exercises for targeting the lower abs, which is often the hardest area to develop and define. This exercise works by creating tension through the lower portion of the abdominal wall while forcing your core to stabilize your legs throughout the movement. Lie flat on your back with your hands under your glutes or by your sides for support. Keep your legs straight and slowly raise them until they form an L shape with your body. Lower them back down under control without letting your heels touch the floor. Perform 12 to 15 reps and rest for around 20 seconds before the next exercise. One common mistake is swinging the legs or using momentum, which reduces tension on the abs. Another mistake is arching the lower back, which can place stress on the spine. Move slowly and keep your core tight during every rep.
Hollow body hold. The hollow body hold is one of the most powerful exercises for building a strong and defined core because it creates constant tension across the entire abdominal wall. This exercise strengthens the deep core muscles, improves stability, and teaches your abs to stay engaged for long periods of time. Lie flat on your back with your arms extended overhead and your legs straight. Lift your shoulders and legs slightly off the floor while pressing your lower back firmly into the ground. Your body should form a slight curved banana shape while your core stays fully contracted. Hold this position for 20 to 40 seconds and rest for around 20 to 30 seconds afterward. One of the biggest mistakes is allowing the lower back to lift off the floor, which removes tension from the abs and places stress on the spine. Some people also keep their legs too high, making the exercise much easier. Focus on maintaining full body tension and breathing steadily throughout the hold.
If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more simple and effective workouts. Stay consistent, trust the process, and your results will follow.